A model has three elements. You can see the diagram. We have the alpha layer, which is the spatial geographical condition on which civilizational emergence occurs. We have the omega layer, that is the institutional architecture, which is built on top of the spatial geographical layer. And we have the theta, which is the symbolic semiotic architecture. We will deal with this in substantial detail. This gives coherence to any structure and allows it to persist and endure over time. In fact, it's an important factor in emergence as well. So these variables help us answer three basic questions. So the alpha, for instance, helps us answer where we are situated, so to say, in our analysis. The omega, that is the institutional element, helps us to investigate how we organize collective life. And the theta allows us to investigate or tells us what our world means and why we build a coherent way of life that persists and that we all accept as legitimate. So let's put this as follows. A society inhabits space. On that space, or in that space, it builds institutions. For these institutions to function, there must be some form of meaning that gives purpose to the agents who operate within those institutions. These three dimensions are not separate. They constantly shape one another and interact with one another. For instance, a river valley may encourage dense agriculture. Now, dense agriculture may require irrigation management, taxation, and labor coordination. These institutions may generate, or these institutional demands may generate temples, the institution of kingship, priesthoods, calendars, and cosmologies. Now, calendars and cosmologies require a symbolic order, and this symbolic order might require the sacralization of rivers, of sacred spaces, of the king himself, or the role of the king himself, the king or the ruler. Even the sacralization of the land as a holy land, the sacralization of the agricultural and the seasonal cycle, all of which are important to give meaning to how geography and institutions interact and create a coherent way of life.